as mechanical boards have become a must-have for typists and gamers due to their superior switch types, build quality, and layout options. Apple Watch users are experiencing a similar trend in safeguarding their devices. Screen protectors are no longer optional, they're essential. This guide evaluates the best Apple Watch screen. List 1. EGV 8-pack for Apple Watch Series 10 46mm screen protector. The EGV 8-pack screen protector offers incredible value for Series 10 users, featuring self-healing TPU material that absorbs minor scratches and maintains a smooth, clear finish. With strong adhesion and bubble-free application, it ensures full screen coverage without interfering with touch sensitivity. The ultra-thin design retains the original brightness and clarity of your watch screen. Perfect for those who want ample spares and an invisible layer of protection that repairs itself over time. A reliable and budget-friendly choice. List number. Gotten 2-pack Bling case for Apple Watch 40mm SE 2nd Gen Series 6, 5, 4. For users who want both protection and style, the Gotten Bling case combines a sparkling frame with screen protection. The 2-pack fits snugly on 40mm SE 2nd Gen Series 6, 5, and 4. Its soft TPU shell guards against scratches and dings, while the rhinestones add a touch of glamour. The case is easy to install and remove, making it perfect for switching up your look while keeping your watch safe and stylish. Ideal for parties, events, or daily use. List number. Mixie 2-pack waterproof hard case with tempered glass for Series 10 2024, 46mm. If you're looking for serious durability, the Mixie waterproof hard case is a fantastic option. This 2-pack offers a full coverage solution with a robust PC case and built-in tempered glass, protecting against water splashes, scratches, and impacts. The raised edges and seamless fit keep your Series 10 watch well shielded while maintaining touch sensitivity and display clarity. Installation is quick. List 4. Commuter 3-pack hard PC ultra-thin cover with tempered glass for 40mm SE 2nd Gen 6, 5, 4. For minimalists who still want solid defense, the Commuter ultra-thin hard PC covers deliver excellent protection without adding bulk. This 3-pack includes hard polycarbonate shells with built-in tempered glass, safeguarding your Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen 6, 5, or 4. The slim design allows full access to all buttons and maintains a natural touch response. Great for everyday wearers who need a balance of sleekness and strength in a highly affordable package. List 5. Sudis Best Metal Rugged Case with 9H tempered glass for 46mm. The Sudis Best Metal Rugged Case is designed for those who put their watches through extreme conditions. Featuring a full metal bezel and shockproof construction, this case provides robust defense against heavy impacts. The 9H tempered glass offers superior scratch resistance while maintaining touch sensitivity. Its military-grade look complements outdoor enthusiasts or anyone wanting maximum protection for their 46mm Apple Watch.